Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to the vlog. So today I am here with my friend Erica. Her girls group is called Girl Power here in Jacksonville, and she empowers young women on all type of different subjects. But today's subject was hair care, so she asked me to come in so that I can do like a natural hair care type of class for them. So I decided to show them how to do a easy protective style. Y'all, let me tell y'all, I showed these girls how to crochet some twists, a real easy Senegalese twist protective style, and when I tell you they got it so good, like they are killing it. Let me show you. So this is Kamaya. Look, y'all, she is doing this all on her own. I showed them how to crochet the twist in, and then they just open it up and they hide her hair in between. They are doing so good. And Kamaya, how old are you? 9. Already learning how to crochet and do hair at 9. We're doing hair at 9. We're crocheting at 9. At 9 years old, I was just putting in ponytails. That's about it. Hey y'all, so I am back home. I finished the class. I told you I was so proud of the girls. They did so good. So shout out to Girl Power, because they are some awesome kids. But right now I am kind of rushing. Me and Antonio are headed to a wedding, honey, and about to get out of here because I think we're pretty much, what time is it? 4:15. Oh, we late. Bye. We had a lot going on this morning. I had the class, which y'all saw. Antonio had, okay, I'm sorry, Cardi, turn it down. I had the class. Antonio took Ari because she cheers for a local park, a football team, so he had to take her to that, and that ran kind of late, so that's why I was actually ready before him today.
First time ever.
Whatever. Anyway, but we're like 4 minutes away right now, so we almost
remember me to stop by that place.
What place?
The trophy place, to get your trophy for the first time being ready.
Whatever. Real petty. Hey y'all, we're here. We made it. We are actually on time because they have not started yet, but it's good. That worked out for us. But we the ceremony is about to be outside. It looks really nice. I'll show y'all. Right now, everybody's kind of just standing towards the back because it's kind of hot up there in the front. But as soon as we see the wedding party come out, I'm sure we'll run and grab some seats. But right now, we kind of ducked off in the shade. That was nice, y'all, but when I tell y'all, everybody is running because it's so hot. Whew. That was so nice. It looked so nice in that yellow. Oh Lord. You all right?
Ladies and gentlemen, for the first time in history, would you please put your hands together as we receive our bride and groom, Mr. and Mrs. Reynolds. $1 say nobody reach for it. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a lot of single ladies. Let me see who I think gonna catch it. I think each one of them gonna rip the flower off that bouquet. All right, on the count of 3, y'all ready? 1, 2, 3.
What's up, guys? Happy Sunday. Welcome back to the vlog. Today is the first day. It's Sunday, but it is the first official day of football season, and because of that, I got a house full of these guys. Hello, Lily. Just here to watch the game and eat food and run through my refrigerator. If y'all have brothers, then y'all may understand how this goes. They show up only to use me for my cooking and my television.
Come on! Come on, watch it.
Y'all look what Tonio went and got me.
It's had a pretty productive start to the day. 6 rushes to 32.
It was right here.
Oh, face mask.
Put a little too much seasoning in them crabs. Got everybody hacking and coughing.
Pepper. Come on! Hit cold. There we go. TJ.
Ooh, ooh. Tonio, he's trying to jump out. Tonio, you didn't even have him in the water. You just got him sitting on top. You're gonna have to come flip them because they just sitting on top of the water. All right, y'all, I gotta put some hot dogs on the grill. Gotta put some hot dogs on the grill. Oh my God, that thing hot. Jesus. Put some hot dogs on the grill. It's a nice day here in good old Jacksonville, Florida. Y'all, the question of the day is how burnt is too burnt. I eat this. They trying to say it's too burnt. I disagree.
It's too much pressure. Get out. What y'all doing here? Burn that joint and release to the house. Stupid. They need to kick a field goal.
The Jaguars going to take away right what they needed.
Hey.
And it appears.
And he was on the boat when they cut him too. Victory formation. There you go. He gone.